Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start errors in measurement part 4. In the last part we have done the propagation of errors in addition and subtraction, and today we are going to do with the multiplication and the division. First case is it is the third one, product. Means when final result includes a product of two physical quantities, we have to find how the errors appear in the result. Let us suppose we have the two physical quantities A and B, and Z is equal to A into B. Equation number 1, we have the resultant of product of two physical quantities. Delta A is the absolute error in A, delta B absolute error in B, and delta Z is the absolute error in the measurement Z. Means total जो आंसर ਤੁਹਾਡਾ Z आ रहा है ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ error ਕਿੰਨਾ appear ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, that is delta Z. Now all of you knows that we can write Z plus minus delta Z, A plus minus delta A into B plus minus delta B. In this way we can write the values, true value plus minus the error, absolute error that appear in the measurement. Z plus minus delta Z, now multiply this bracket, you will get AB plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A plus minus delta A delta B. Now error in any measurement is very small, and when we are going to multiply the two very small terms, the answer will be also small. So last term we are going to neglect it because it will not affect the answer so much. Now Z plus minus delta Z, AB plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A. Now we can put the value of AB is equal to Z from equation number 1. Z plus minus delta Z, Z plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A. Now Z goes with Z, and delta Z plus minus, now take the plus minus sign common, A delta B plus B delta A. Now from here you will get the delta Z is equal to A delta B plus B delta A. Now divide both sides by Z. Delta Z by Z, A delta B by Z plus B delta A by Z. Now put the value of the Z A into B on the right hand side, you will get delta Z by Z is equal to A delta B upon AB plus B delta A upon AB. Now first term A cancel हो रहा है, in the second term we are going to cancel the B. From here delta Z by Z is equal to delta B by B plus delta A by A. This is the result. Means this error is known as the relative error. Relative error in Z will be equal to the relative error in B plus relative error in the measurement of A. Means whenever you are going to multiply the two terms, in the answer we will calculate the relative error, and relative error is equal to the relative error in the one physical quantity plus the relative error in the second physical quantity. Now next we are going to consider the division. Fourth case is the division, when we are going to divide the two quantities. Let us suppose we have the two physical quantities x upon y. Now Z plus minus delta Z, where delta Z is the absolute error in the measurement of the delta Z, and x ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, x plus minus delta x upon y plus minus delta y. Z plus minus delta Z is equal to x plus minus delta x into y plus minus delta y raised to power minus 1. We can write like this, x plus minus delta x, take y common, y power minus 1, 1 plus minus delta y upon y raised to power minus 1. Now apply the binomial theorem on the bracket of y. From here first bracket ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ x common ਲਓ, x upon y 1 plus minus delta x by x into 1 plus minus delta y by y up to so on. Higher terms ਅਸੀਂ neglect कर देंगे, neglecting higher terms because in the higher terms you will get the square of the delta y, and the square of the delta y is very small term. तो higher terms ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ हैं, neglect कर रहे हैं. x upon y क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो दोनों ब्रैकेट्स ਨੂੰ, 1 plus minus delta y by y plus minus delta x by x plus minus delta x delta y upon xy. On this side we have the z plus minus delta z. From here you will get z plus minus delta z, x upon y is the z, 1 plus minus delta y by y plus minus delta x by x. Last term ਅਸੀਂ neglect कर रहे हैं because again we have the product of delta x and delta y and it is very small term. Now from the left hand side take z common, you will get z into 1 plus minus delta z by z is equal to z into 1 plus minus delta y by y plus minus delta x by x. Now z goes with z, you have 1 plus minus delta z by z is equal to 1 plus minus delta y by y plus delta x by x. Now 1 goes with 1, plus minus delta z by z is equal to plus minus delta y by y plus delta x upon x. Plus minus sign goes with plus minus, delta z by z is equal to delta y by y plus delta x by x. So this is the result. Whenever we are going to multiply or divide the two terms, in the final result we will calculate the relative error, and the relative error in the measurement or in the answer will be equal to relative error in the one physical quantity plus relative error in the second physical quantity. Clear? Now the third case is next is the error in the power of the physical quantity, means when the z is equal to a power n, that is equal to the power of the some physical quantity, then again you can write z plus minus delta z a plus minus delta a raised to power n. To solve the right hand side, take a common, a power n 1 plus minus delta a upon a raised to power n. Now take z common from the left hand side, you will get 1 plus minus delta z by z, a power n is equal to z, 1 plus minus n delta a upon a plus n minus 1 delta a upon a the square upon 2 factorial. Apply कर दी binomial theorem. Higher terms ਨੂੰ करने के ਅਸੀਂ neglect, by neglecting the higher terms you will get z goes with z from here, 1 plus minus delta z by z is equal to 1 plus minus n delta a by a, 1 goes with 1 and delta z by z will be equal to n delta a upon a. So the relative error in z will be equal to n times relative error in a, means whenever the result includes a power of the particular physical quantity, the relative error in the answer will be equal to the power into the relative error in the particular physical quantity. So this is the today's lecture. In the next lecture we will do some questions related to these formulas. Thank you.